what I enjoy most is they respond so much to everything we do. They keep you challenged to keep them challenged. I'm always looking for new ideas, always thinking, always trying, always building, always scrounging, always trying to come up with new and novel things for them. Every day we move the ropes and logs and nets and fire hoses around in the enclosure, and I always try to remove a toy every day and add a toy every day, and just try to make, every day needs to be different from the day before. In some ways, it's a little bit like being a camp director, because, I'm here 11 hours a day, and 11 hours a day I can do all I can to keep them busy. And a lot of the routine in the last year has been necessitated by Yewande. Like things that we used to do, like the gorillas were always fed out front, that stopped for about 6 months. The gorillas were completely fed in the back because we had to get the gorillas back there to feed the baby. She comes first. They're not ferocious, but they're not pets either. We try very hard to make them act like a wild gorilla troop. If a wild gorilla troop spends 60% of their day foraging, that's my goal. I want them foraging 60% of the day. The breeding is managed by the gorilla SSP, the Species Survival Plan, so they make breeding recommendations for animals that can have infants. The goal of the SSP is to maintain a healthy genetic population for a period of 100 years, in the hopes that in some point in that time we can start reintroducing animals to the wild. So essentially we're acting as a reservoir.